Women's Health Alert, recognizing 12 typical hormonal imbalance symptoms. Hormones serve as the intricate messengers orchestrating the performance of cells and organs within your body. Regrettably, many individuals grapple with hormonal imbalances, which can induce a range of bodily changes. These changes encompass the emergence of symptoms such as PMS, anxiety, leg and thigh discomfort, cravings for unhealthy foods, parched skin, thinning hair, and a myriad of other concerns. Remarkably, your body produces more than 50 distinct hormones, each discharged by various glands. This intricate network is commonly referred to as the endocrine system. These glands exhibit remarkable sensitivity and are susceptible to fluctuations resulting in an excess or deficiency of specific hormones. These fluctuations often occur when you are subjected to heightened stress, indulge in unhealthy dietary choices, or encounter environmental toxins. Furthermore, it's essential to acknowledge that prolonged usage of medications and contraceptive pills can also be a contributing factor to hormonal imbalances. This is especially pertinent when these substances are used consistently over the years. With this in mind, our exploration today will center on delineating 12 prevalent indicators of hormonal imbalance experienced by women. By gaining awareness of these signs, you can develop a deeper understanding of the internal dynamics at play within your body. Following this, we will delve into a selection of uncomplicated yet potent lifestyle recommendations designed to assist you in restoring hormonal equilibrium. Sign number 1. Hot flashes. Hot flashes stand as one of the most prevalent indicators of hormonal imbalance. When you find yourself suddenly engulfed in an intense surge of warmth, primarily affecting your upper body, including your face, neck, and chest, you're likely experiencing what's known as a hot flash or hot flush. During these episodes, your skin may flush with a reddish hue, akin to blushing, and your heart rate may noticeably accelerate. Hot flashes are often attributed to a decrease in estrogen levels, which can exert an influence on both the thyroid gland and the hypothalamus. It's worth noting that hot flashes are particularly common among women who use birth control pills or are navigating the transitional phase of menopause. Let's delve into the second symptom, racing thoughts. If you find your mind in a constant state of overactivity, particularly at night when it's hindering your ability to sleep, it's a prevalent sign that your adrenal glands are releasing excessive cortisol into your bloodstream, the primary stress hormone. Elevated cortisol levels are frequently triggered by mental stress and the excessive stimulation of your body through factors like caffeine intake, excessive exercise, or prolonged exposure to blue light from screens. The third indicator to consider is vaginal dryness. Many women grapple with this issue, especially following menopause. Vaginal dryness and a diminished libido can be attributed to low levels of estrogen or even low testosterone, as both hormones must maintain a delicate balance to preserve the health of your sexual organs. Now, let's move on to the fourth sign, sugar cravings. If you've just eaten a meal and you're suddenly yearning for something sweet, it's likely a consequence of excess insulin in your body and insulin resistance. This hormonal imbalance often stems from prolonged consumption of refined carbohydrates and sugars, which render your cells less responsive to insulin. Consequently, your pancreas compensates by producing more insulin. In some cases, this can progress to type 2 diabetes if not managed carefully. Later in this video, I'll share some valuable tips to address these hormonal issues. The fifth signal to be mindful of is hair loss and acne. If you observe thinning hair along your center part or experience significant hair loss while showering, it's probable that you have elevated androgen levels or reduced estrogen levels. This hormonal imbalance may also lead to oily skin, acne, and accelerated collagen loss in your skin as you age. Balancing these hormones can be achieved through dietary adjustments, such as incorporating more cruciferous vegetables and healthy fats into your diet. Now, let's explore the sixth symptom, irregular periods. Typically, your menstrual cycles should follow a regular pattern, with the average cycle occurring every 28 days, though it can vary between 21 to 40 days among different women. If your menstrual cycles start becoming irregular, with unpredictable stops and starts, it's a clear indication that your estrogen hormone levels are disrupted. Moving on to the seventh symptom, breast tenderness. Estrogen dominance, characterized by an excess of estrogen in your body, can lead to breast swelling and tenderness, particularly in the days leading up to your menstrual cycle. This is a classic manifestation of hormonal imbalance. Additionally, an elevated estrogen level may result in a heavier menstrual flow. The eighth sign is thinning eyebrows. Now, if you start to lose the hair on the outer parts of your eyebrows, or they're thinning out, this is a classic sign that you may have an underactive thyroid. The thyroid is a gland found in your neck which controls different parts of your metabolism. Low thyroid hormones can also trigger feelings of depression, dry skin, constipation, and weight gain. An underactive thyroid is usually caused by a problem in your liver or your gallbladder or high estrogen. You see, these hormones are all linked to one another, so an imbalance can have a ripple effect throughout your body. The ninth sign is varicose veins. If you begin developing blue or purple veins that start to bulge or twist outwards in the legs, you likely have varicose veins. This is usually a liver problem which is causing high estrogen levels, which is also causing damage to the tone of your veins. Women who experience this often also have weight gain around their hips and thighs, and they may also have a dull aching sensation in this area. The 10th sign to watch out for is facial hair. Women who begin to develop facial hair may be suffering with polycystic ovarian syndrome, a condition caused by high levels of androgen male hormones. In this situation, the voice may also become deeper and you may develop some more masculine features on your face. High androgens are usually caused by insulin resistance and eating too many refined sugars and not enough vegetables. Sign number 11 is new skin tags and warts. New research suggests that if you begin to grow clusters of new skin tags on your body, this is likely caused by a buildup of anabolic hormones like estrogen or insulin. This causes the cells in your skin to multiply too quickly, and these skin tags can form anywhere on your body, especially around your neck, the armpits, and some of the other folds, like your groin. And finally, we have number 12, which is frequent infections. Cortisol is a hormone which helps to reduce inflammation in your lungs and strengthen your immune system when it's working properly. Low levels of cortisol, however, or cortisol resistance can cause your body to become more prone to infections from respiratory viruses, making you catch a cold more than once or twice per year. Now that we've equipped you with this newfound knowledge, let's explore 6 natural approaches to harmonize your hormones. 1. Incorporate trace mineral-rich foods. Include foods abundant in trace minerals in your diet regularly. These may include seaweed, nutritional yeast, kelp, kombu, shellfish, avocados, pumpkin seeds, Brazil nuts, and walnuts. These foods provide essential trace minerals such as iodine, selenium, and chromium that play a pivotal role in supporting various glands throughout your body. 2. Nourish your liver. Aid your liver in maintaining hormonal balance by consuming bitter organic fruits and vegetables such as lemons, raspberries, broccoli, cabbage, sauerkraut, arugula, Swiss chard, garlic, artichoke, radish, and an abundance of raw leafy greens. 3. Reduce refined carbohydrates. Minimize your intake of refined carbohydrates like sugar, grains, flour, and wheat-based products such as bread, biscuits, cakes, and cereals. Instead, opt for nutrient-dense whole foods like grass-fed meats, wild-caught fish, pasture-raised eggs, and a diverse array of vegetables. 4. Supplement with vitamin D3 and vitamin K2. Consider a daily supplement containing 10,000 international units of vitamin D3, along with 100 micrograms of vitamin K2 in the 7 Malawian kwacha's form. This combination helps to mitigate inflammation in glands like the thyroid, pancreas, ovaries, facilitating the precise release of hormones. 5. Embrace intermittent fasting. Adopt a structured eating schedule where you consume all your daily meals within a strict 6-hour window, allowing your body 18 hours to rest and digest. This practice, known as intermittent fasting, aids in balancing blood sugar levels, and fosters the healing and recuperation of your glands. 6. Manage stress hormones with nature walks. Counterbalance the effects of stress hormones by indulging in leisurely walks in natural, tree-rich environments. The fresh air, gentle exercise, and the essential oils released by trees can help dampen the body's fight-or-flight response, which might otherwise disrupt your hormonal equilibrium. In addition to these lifestyle adjustments, certain vitamins and nutritional supplements can be beneficial in normalizing your hormones. Stay tuned for more useful health information. Don't forget to like and subscribe to update the latest videos. Thanks for watching.